Hey guys, I'm Danny, and in this video, I'll show you how to install Google Tag Manager. Google Tag Manager will be really useful when later you want to install Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and all the other tracking tools. So first, let's go to tagmanager.google.com. Log in with your Google account, and then you'll be redirected to your dashboard. If you have never used your Tag Manager before, it will be empty, and to start, click Create an Account on the top right. Alright, so account name, ideally you will want to put your brand name. So now I'll use PZ's Toy Store. Country, I'm currently in Malaysia, so I'll pick Malaysia. And container name, ideally I'll suggest you to enter your website URL so it's easier for you to identify later on. Okay, then you'll have to pick where this GTM will actually be installed. Are you trying to track your web or your app? If you're trying to track your website, then pick web, otherwise choose iOS or Android. So right now I want to track my website, so I'll pick web. Click create, agree to the terms, yes, and the GTM will load. It will provide you with two snippets of code. So these snippets of code must be installed to your website for the GTM to work. Depending on how your website is built, the steps may be different, but it's pretty much similar. So first, copy the head code, go to your website builder, and search for where you can insert the head tag. Paste the code, save it. So for example, you are building your website from scratch or you have a source code. You want to go to the source code, search for the head tag, the HTML head tag, and install it as high as possible, as close as possible to the opener tag. So I'll pick, for example, I'll paste it here and save it. So next, I will publish. So now it's being saved. Let's go back to Tag Manager to copy the second part of the code. Copy that, and as you can see here, the instruction is to copy it directly under the body tag. So copy that. Same goes to the body. Search for where you can install your body tag code. Paste it there. Go to your source code, and search for the body tag. Ideally, you would want to install this right after the opener tag. Save it. This is if you are using a source code. I will save it on my website builder, publish it, and refresh your website. So currently there's no way for you to verify whether the GTM is installed correctly. So there's actually two steps to verify it. The first step is to go back to your Tag Manager. So now that you have already installed it, click OK. And there's on the top right, you can see the preview button. Click on that. And right now it will load the preview for you. It might take a while. So right now you can see that you are now previewing Workspace, and you can go back to your website. Refresh your website, and you should see this panel down here. This is a good sign that your Tag Manager has been installed properly. Another way for you to verify it is to go to Google, search for Google Tag Assistant, and the first result, click on that. If you're using Chrome, and add to Chrome the extension. So it'll take a while to install. So right, now it's been installed. You can go back to your website, refresh your website again. So now at the top right of your browser, there should be this icon. So click on the icon, and ideally you would just select everything and click done. So right now it says that your Tag Assistant is currently inactive. what you should do is just click enable and then refresh the page again. So let it load, and now if you can see the icon up here, it has found your tag. So there you have it, you have successfully installed your Google Tag Manager. In the next video, I'll show you how to install your Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and Google Ads Remarketing tag through Google Tag Manager.